Hello my loves. First and foremost, I want to start off by apologizing for skipping Saturday. There was a lot going on, and then I realized, I was like, oh, I have footage that I can edit and post. I couldn't. It was kind of from my last set, and I feel like it would be weird posting like my new set and then another video from my old set. So that footage is for nothing. So today I got a comment on my eyebrows. It's by Alyssa Hephill, or Hephill. However, am I saying that wrong? I'm saying that wrong, right? I want to say one, thank you for the comment. You are adorable. And second of all, that is a good idea. Y'all have good ideas. Today, I'm going to be doing just my quick and easy eyebrow routine because I know some people are like, your eyebrows are cute. And some people are like, no. But if you think your eyebrow, blah, blah, blah. Wow. If you think my eyebrows are cute, trust me, it ain't that hard because you know my hand, it don't stay still. Other chicks are here like, wow, my eyebrows are on. Me, I'm like, so. Okay, so first and foremost, we are going to need our eyebrow actual brush. This has the little spoolie on one side. All right, you see that? Yeah. And then it has the angled part on the other side. This all comes in one brush. Second, you are going to need, or for me at least, this is what I do. You are going to need this little itty bitty eyeshadow brush. It's just a little detail brush. It's normally to add on detail to your eyeshadow, but for me it does my brows. Is that even focused? Probably not. And that is what I use to carve it out after. Today I normally use, more often than not, an eyebrow pencil like you guys see in my other videos, but today I figured first I'll do the pomade. If you guys want to see the pencil routine, it's literally the same thing, but I can still show you guys if you want. So this is NYX's Tame and Frame Brow Pomade. So this is the pomade that I use, and it is in the color, I can't see that, so you guys will see what color. No, you know what, I'll read it out for you, okay? It's in the color Espresso. What I do first is I just brush out my eyebrows, and I have a mirror that is very close to me, okay? It is very close because my eyebrows, child, okay? I'm just gonna zoom in real close. We're about to get to know each other on, you know, that kind of level. So just come on in. Wow. Okay, so first and foremost, you guys see it, I'm brushing it out. So I'm going to dip my little brush into the pomade just a little bit. You do not want to go overboard. You can always build up, you can never take away. Remember that. Remember that. And now I'm starting on the bottom, right on this. I'm gonna create a line going straight. I try every single time to do it in one stroke. Sometimes it works, sometimes it does not. Do not hate yourself because you can't do it in one stroke. I start at the corner and I draw a line following the natural shape of, oh, I'm out of frame, okay. Oops. All right, so I'm starting on the inner corner and I am taking it, and now I'm bringing it down. There you go. And that is the bottom half. So now I'm dipping back in a little bit. And now I'm starting at the tail. So this is where my eyebrow kind of arches. Up of here is where I'm gonna take it again. Because with dark pomades like this, you don't want to bring it all the way to the front and square out your brows. You do not want to do that. You want it to look more natural in the front. So I start a little heavier on the end. So I'm going up at the tip of my arch and I'm placing it right on top, and I'm going down and meeting my other line right there. I'm going down. There you go. And if it gets clumpy, I just brush it out. There you go. And now, this is where I was. I'm gonna move a little bit forward around here. And now I'm gonna connect with that arch. See, it looks a little crazy, but trust me, I got this. All right. And now I'm gonna fill in the middle with the same color. This is all one color. Some people use different colors. Girl, shoot, not me. There we go. I'm brushing as I go along because it spreads it. And me, it looks a little crazy, but the thing about me is that I always clean it up after, and that is my trick. And now I'm going back to where I started, this little line right here where I started, and flicking up. And bringing that product from down below where I first started up. And just smudging it on. Not heavy-handed, just smudging on what's here mixed with whatever's left on the brush. There you go, and now you have one eyebrow filled in. This eyebrow's not, this eyebrow is. I'm gonna show you guys how I cleaned it up too. So I'm going in with my NYX concealer, and this is in the color Fair Clear. Actually, no, it's not. Fair Clear is my other one. This is medium in my NYX concealer. And now I'm going in with that other brush I showed you over here. This is the brush I use because it is itty bitty, and I rather have a smaller brush than to have a big brush and kind of lose control of the concealer. And the last thing I need is to, after I'm done doing all that work to fill it in, to accidentally cover it, you know? So I start a little bit before my eyebrow starts. So I start right here. All right. And I hug the eyebrow. Right, let me see if I can get in a little closer. I don't know if I'm gonna like this. All right, so again, I start by hugging the brow. And I'm gonna put a little more on the brush. I didn't really put that much. All right. Starting a little bit before, getting very, very close to the brow and going straight. And now I get it right where I ended. They went out straight. Now I'm going straight down the arch. And now I'm going below, and with the tip of the brush, I'm starting a little before the brow, and I'm scraping the bottom. And what this does is it actually covers up any mistakes, plus covers up any of hairs that needed to be plucked, or, you know, it just creates the fake snatched eyebrow. Hey, you know. And now I go up into that arch, and then I bring it down. All right, so here's the tricky part. At the end, you guys see where that little tail is? I go down here, right below where I made my line, and I go straight across until I like the way the end looks. And I just kind of create my end and I fine tune it. I cover up any mistakes, and then you do the front. And now I use my finger, ignore my nails. And then this sounds weird, but I kind of push whatever a little bit concealer's in the front onto my eyebrow because it creates like a fade kind of look. I say like a lot, right? Yeah, I know. I unzoom, you guys are gonna see one brow done. And one brow not. Snatched, not even close. Snatched, not even close, right? Okay, so I'm gonna do the other one. And just like that, you got eyebrows. I really wanna keep me zooming in and zooming out in the video. And just like that, boom, you're ready for church, okay? No? Okay. So that's the eyebrow routine. And again, this is the pomade, the NYX Tame and Frame eyebrow pomade. It is really good. And I also have the NYX brow pencils, and this comes with a little brush on the back. This comes in handy too. I'm not crazy about this brush though. If you do get this one, I would definitely, the thing is you can get these at the dollar store. I would suggest getting one of those eyebrow brushes from like the dollar store. You can get them at the dollar store because they're good to have and they really cling on to the eyebrows. But I know for a fact they're at the dollar store, so don't go spending no obscene amount of money. Don't do it. I will find you and I'll slap you if I find out you spent $9 on a little spoolie. So that is the end of this video, and I wanted to make a quick announcement. Just let you guys know that in a couple of videos I'm going to be doing a Q&A, because that was another suggestion of mine. Girl, you know who you are, I got you. And I want to be doing a Q&A when I hit 2,000 followers. So if you guys have any questions, start asking them now and I will write them in my handy dandy notebook that is sitting right here. I want to definitely do that. I think that is so fun, and that is going to be happening in a couple of videos. And if you guys want a shout out and to be put on my wall, subscribe, tap the notification button, and then comment "did it" down below, and you, my friend, will be here on my wall of babes. And I think that's about it. That's the end of this video. I will see you guys in my next one, and until next time, mwah! I love you guys. Bye.